Today on Delph Stack, I will show you how to force quit Outlook on Windows. I will walk you through two simple methods that work on any Windows computer. First, let me show you the most effective method. Press Ctrl, Shift, and ESC on your keyboard at the same time. This opens the Task Manager window. When it opens, look for the tab named Processes or sometimes Details, depending on your Windows version. Scroll through the list until you find Microsoft Outlook. Sometimes it shows as Outlook.exe. Right-click on it and choose End Task. This will close Outlook immediately, even if it is frozen. Now I will show you another method using the command line. Click on the Start menu and search for Command Prompt or PowerShell. You can use either one. Open it, and when the window appears, type this command exactly: taskkill /f /im outlook.exe. Press Enter. This command forces Windows to close Outlook in the background. These are the simplest and fastest ways to force quit Outlook on Windows. Thanks for watching.